in PT Core. We have read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image. We have respond to a situation and answer short questions. We have these 5 questions. Then writing. Writing has 2 questions in both PT academic and PT core. In PD academic, we have summarize written text and essay. Whereas here also we have summarize written text, but in case of essay, we have email. Right. For summarize written text, here we have 10 minutes. Here also we have 10 minutes, but the word limit is different. My answer should be between 25 to 50, whereas here my answer can be between 5 to 75 words. Generally, we write, the ideal word limit or summarize written text of PD writing is you should write between 50 to 55 words. Whereas here the word limit is only 25 to 50. So you can write between, I'll say 40 to 45. Time is same, and here we have to write answer in one sentence only. Whereas here our answer can be in multiple sentences. So generally we write 2 or 3 sentences. For essay we have 20 minutes. And our answer should be between 200 to 300 words. If you write between 250 to 255, as I said, this is an ideal word limit. Whereas for email writing, we get 9 minutes. And our answer should be between 80 to 120 words. If you write between 100 to 110, this is considered an ideal word limit. You might get formal, informal, or semi formal email. Then we have reading, which is same for both PT academic and PT core. Then we have listening. In listening, we have summarized spoken text. In both PT